says Armed Forces Tribunal will boost disposal of cases which are continuously increasing in courts. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates new College of Teacher Education CTE building in Tura. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra had a review meeting on the implementation of central schemes. And Centre trying to find a solution, says Home Affairs Minister of State Ajay Mishra on ILP in Meghalaya. The news in detail. On August 20th, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said Armed Forces Tribunal will boost in disposal of cases which are continuously increasing in courts. Addressing the National Seminar on Introspection Armed Forces Tribunal organised by the Armed Forces Tribunal Principal Bench Bar Association in New Delhi, Mr. Singh said the disposal of cases has become time-consuming. He said it is commendable that the Armed Forces Tribunal is introspecting on important issues during Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The minister pointed out that domain-specific tribunals are being envisaged and these specialized tribunals will be able to dispose of cases speedily. Law Minister Kiren Rijiju was also present on the occasion. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, in the presence of the Chief Advisor Thomas A. Sangma, the officials from the Education Department and the District Administration inaugurated the new building of the College of Teacher Education CTE at Rongkhon in Tura on Friday. Speaking at the inaugural function, the Chief Minister said that in the last 4.5 years, our education system and overall economic situation improved in the state. But education has been a big challenging sector as a whole, and the government has prioritized education since 2018.
We have made substantial, if not satisfactory, substantial investment, much higher compared to the previous years in education, in all the different sectors, be it lower primary, be it upper primary, higher secondary, secondary, college, higher technical. And you must be seeing how things are moving forward in almost all the sectors when it comes to education.
Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra today had a review meeting with officials of the state government on the implementation of central schemes in Meghalaya. On the implementation of central schemes in Meghalaya, Mishra said that these are ongoing and every day something new is required and therefore there is no reason to be satisfied. On peace talks with the proscribed HNLC, Mishra said that earlier there were many militant outfits in the region, but many challenges have been resolved. He further said that even the remaining ones will be solved.
रोज कोई ना कोई नया चैलेंज आएगा, किसी की जरूरत रोज बढ़ेगी। आप ही जैसे घर में काम करते हैं तो किसी दिन ये सोचे कि अब सारा काम खत्म हो गया, अब घर में कुछ नहीं करना, तो ऐसा नहीं होता। काम तो करना पड़ेगा और जरूरतें भी होंगी, लगातार हम करेंगे, निरंतर करेंगे और लोगों को उसका फायदा मिले, ये हमारा सुनिश्चित करने का।
Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra on Friday said that the centre is trying to find a solution to address the concerns of the indigenous people which are demanding implementation of the Inner Line Permit ILP in Meghalaya. He said that whatever problem is there and we are trying to find a solution soon. In the last 8 years we have worked hard and whatever is left out will be resolved soon, he added. It may be mentioned that in 2019 the State Assembly had passed an official resolution urging the centre to immediately implement the ILP in Meghalaya.
जो चीज़ इसमें प्रोसेस में होती है या जिस पर विचार चल रहा है, जिसकी मांग है, उस पर इस समय कुछ उसके बारे में डिस्क्लोज करना उचित नहीं होगा। जब सारी योजना बन जाती है या कोई नीति पारित हो जाती है तब हम घोषणा करते हैं, तो बाकायदा आपको और प्रेस के साथियों को पूरी बातें बताते हैं।
Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra on Saturday said that action will be taken against anyone found involved in illegal coal mining. Mishra was reacting to reports of a death of a miner in Goreng Urak under Shatlang police station in West Khasi Hills district. The Union Minister of State said that police are trying to stop such illegalities. In another mile of journey to serve the homeless senior citizens of the state of Meghalaya, the Kripa Foundation Meghalaya yesterday inaugurated the senior citizens home known as Victoria Senior Citizen Home by Father Joe Pereira, who is the founder of the Kripa Foundation in Meghalaya. The inauguration of this Victoria Senior Citizen Home at Umroi was also witnessed by the Secretary of Health and Family Welfare to the Government of Meghalaya, R.M. Kurba, District Social and Welfare Officer of Ribhoi, Amy Kharshandi, Hetman and others. R.M. Kurba in her address has expressed her immense pleasure to see that such a holistic approach is being set up in the state, and this will be a blessing for those senior citizens who are homeless. Along with the rest of the country, Janmashtami was celebrated in Shillong as well. Religious fervour and gaiety marked Janmashtami celebrations at the temples of Lord Krishna. Governor Satyapal Malik and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma greeted people of the state on the occasion of Janmashtami. The festival is also known as Janmashtami, Gokulashtami, Krishnashtami or Shri Jayanti and marks the birth of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Vishnu. It is celebrated on the 8th day of the Krishna Paksha in the month of Shravana of Bhadrapad. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 26.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 18.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 79% while in the evening was 88%. No rainfall was recorded. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur in many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh says Armed Forces Tribunal will boost disposal of cases which are continuously increasing in courts. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates new College of Teacher Education CTE building in Tura. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra had a review meeting on the implementation of central schemes. And Centre trying to find a solution, says Home Affairs Minister of State Ajay Mishra on ILP in Meghalaya. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Have a good night.